Hey guys, welcome back to our Power BI quick tip, and let's talk about how we can insert emojis in Power BI. Well, all we need to do is we create a measure by, for instance, right-clicking on one of the tables. I create a new measure, and here's our measure. Let me just zoom in so you can see it better. Here we go, and let's name this maybe emoji. Emoji is equal to, and now in Windows we need to use a shortcut, which is the Windows key and the dot symbol. So Windows dot. And you see that now you can see various emojis here, and then you can click on one of them. For instance, this one here, and you got it in here, and of course you need to put it in quotes because this is text, and you got your emoji. And now if you press enter, you got the emoji created. There is the field, and now if you choose here a visualization, for instance a card visual, click on it, you can tick this emoji, and then you have your emoji in your Power BI report. Okay, so that's it for this trick. So hopefully that was helpful. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video.